Alright, welcome sa last week ng December. Ay, April pala. Akala ko December, tuloy-tuloy. Day 1, Landers Vermosa Media Lunch with Bernie Pasamba and the Music Master. So, ayan. Maaga tayo nakapasok sa Landers Vermosa. Malapit lang sa bahay, buti na lang. So, ayan, konting behind the scenes. Tapos, day 2, diretso tayo Antipolo. Actually, this is Wednesday na. Nung Tuesday, pahinga. Buti na lang may pahinga pa. Okay. Tapos, yan, wedding ni Miguel and Meg. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami dyan. Day 3, we played for parang event ng UST. It's their Thanksgiving dinner. Then, yung last days of the week, Saturday and Sunday, Makati Siang Lobby Lounge with Gano Classico. So, ayan, nakalimutan ko yung sapatos ko. Sobrang pagod. Pero thankful for all the events of the past few weeks. Sobrang nakakapagod pero sobrang fulfilling. And I hope more events come this May and we'll see you around.